Hey guys, I found a solenoid. It runs your lift on your a fork truck. I think it was a Doosan, but it's just a sensor. You know, there's a clip. I don't really have any tools here at work, so it's really easy to take these solenoids apart. And all it is, damn phone, hold on a minute, is take this piece of metal off, it slides off, but then you got to, if my phone don't fall down again, I'll throw this down here real quick. Oh. You got to take a hammer. You take a hammer, what you got right here, and then you just take it and set it on something hard, and you tap it a couple times. The other one worked, this one didn't. Anyway, hold on a minute. Yeah, I ain't got my tripod or nothing with me, so it's hard to set my phone up. You take in you just hit it a couple times, and then you start breaking this stuff off of it. And let me hit it one more time. I'm gonna put it on the concrete floor real quick. It comes right apart. Hold on a second. Okay, here's my thing. Hammer. Okay. You just pull it off. I'll take that wire and I'll snip the wires. Pull the end off, snip the wires. There'll be some number 2 insulated there. But the inside of these coils, solenoids, have got a damn slinky. I mean, just plumb full of copper wire. So there you go. And there's really nothing in it that you gotta throw away, because there's no core or nothing inside that. So there's a good little bit of wire. I mean, and it goes on for days. It goes on for days. So you get a nice little bit of copper out of them solenoid coils, sensors, whatever you want to call them. You know, I mean, easy money. And there's, I don't know, half pound copper there. Anyway, I just wanted to bring this video to you guys, and I hope you enjoy it.